Hello, today we're going to be showing you how to make your deposit to secure your seat at National Louis in your student portal. So we're going to start with your NLU student portal. To log in, you can use the username and password that were sent to you via email, or you can always ask your enrollment specialist if you need that information. On the portal, I'm going to go to the Student Services tab and scroll down to the Financial Aid section here. Here I'm going to click View Pay Bill, Student Services again, and go to our online payment system. This is where we can select to make a payment for the term that we're looking at. So for your deposit, you're going to want to select the upcoming fall term. So that's going to be fall 2020 and click Submit. Our deposit is a $50 non-refundable deposit, and this deposit isn't an additional fee. It is merely a first payment towards your tuition statement for the fall. So this $50 will go straight towards your tuition. I'll click Submit here, and here's what it'll start having you fill out your information. This is where you can put your National Louis student ID number. Now, if you don't know your NLU student ID number, you can contact your enrollment specialist to find out that information because you do want to make sure it's the student ID for National Louis. Here's where I'm going to go ahead and put in our first name, last name, as well as our email address, and you want to make sure all of this is correct. And you can add a phone number here and your address here. I'll click Continue. This is where it brings us to filling out information to actually make the payment. So you want to make sure you have the correct credit card, debit card, or account number that you add here, as well as the correct billing address so that your payment correctly goes through. You can agree that you're paying your $50 deposit and click Continue to submit the deposit. This will have your deposit go through to the Office of Student Finance and officially saves your seat at National Louis University. It's definitely important to do this as soon as you know that you want to attend National Louis because we do have a limited number of seats. So after you've reviewed your award letter and decided you're committing to NLU, make sure you make your deposit so that we're able to make sure we have a seat for you this upcoming fall. Thanks.